How to turn off professional account on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find an option. Navigate to the profile option given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on the profile page, if you have enabled professional mode, you're gonna find this section, professional dashboard. Now how to get rid of it. For that, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Once you're in the settings and activity page, here you're going to find a different option. Head over to the section of for professionals. Under that, you'll find the option of creator tools and controls. Click on that option. Now click on the option of switch account type. Select the option of personal account. Click on switch to personal account. When you switch back to your personal account, in-app insights will be turned off and insights from all of your content, including your promotions, will be permanently removed. You'll also lose access to Meta Business tools like Meta Business Suite and Ads Manager. Your Meta Verified subscription will also be cancelled for this account. Click on Switch to Personal Account. And just with that, you have turned off professional account on Instagram. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.